Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Escape the Backrooms game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. First, fix steps to fix sound or audio problem in Escape the Backrooms game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on System, then click on Sound. Scroll down. Under Advanced option click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Then go to the Spatial Sound tab, and from the drop down first select the Off option, then hit on Apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if sound or audio issues is fixed or not. If not, and if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on Apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. Look for the audio settings within the Escape the Backrooms game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio or sound problem in Escape the Backrooms if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and then uncheck Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on Apply and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set a default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripherals devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Escape the Backrooms game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.